Fetta Omelette rolls with pesto mayonnaise. Whether it's breakfast, lunch or dinner, omelettes are a quick and versatile meal. For an easy lunch idea, try our Mediterranean-inspired feta omelette rolls. Start by making the omelette. Place your eggs and feta in a large jug and use a fork to whisk the ingredients together until the egg is really creamy. Season with pepper and give it another quick whisk. Next, place a small non-stick frying pan over medium heat. Add a little oil, then pour 1/4 of the egg mixture into the pan. Swirl the pan so the eggs cover the base evenly, then cook for 1 to 2 minutes or until the egg is almost set. Using a spatula, fold the omelette in half and gently transfer to a plate. Cover to keep warm. Continue cooking the egg mixture to make 4 omelettes. In a separate bowl, add the pesto and mayonnaise and stir to combine. To assemble the rolls, spread the roll bases with mashed avocado and spread the roll tops with the mayonnaise mixture. Top the bases with the omelette, peppers and rocket. To finish, pop on the roll tops and enjoy. Easy and delicious, this feta omelette roll makes a filling lunch to get you through your day.